If you ever get stuck while using Microsoft Word, the help feature can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use help in Microsoft Word so you can quickly find answers, learn features faster, and get instructions without leaving the app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and computer how-to guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top of the screen and find the Help tab. This is where Microsoft gives you access to support tools and built-in assistance. Click on the Help tab and then choose Help or Word Help, depending on the version of Word you're using. This will open the Help section where you can search for specific topics and get guidance directly from Microsoft Word. Now, in the search box, type your question. You can ask something simple like how to change margins, how to insert a table, how to track changes, or anything else you need help with. The more specific your question is, the better the results will usually be. After typing your question, press Enter on your keyboard. Word will then search for matching help articles, tips, and instructions related to your question. Once the results appear, click on the one that looks most relevant. This will open the instructions so you can read the steps and follow along inside Word. If the first result isn't exactly what you need, you can try another suggestion or refine your search with a more specific question. This is a really helpful feature when you want to learn something quickly without searching the web or guessing through menus. It's also great for beginners who are still getting familiar with Word's tools and features. So just remember the process. Open Word, click the Help tab, choose Help or Word Help, type your question, press Enter, and then click a result to view the instructions. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.